సార్కి ఇచ్చినట్టు ఒక ఫోటో ఇటు ఇటు పెట్టుకుంటుంది ఇటు
तो डीएससी टेट के लिए रिक्वेस्ट
ठीक है हमारा गवर्नमेंट की एप्लीकेशन वो अपना आप है ठीक है मां इग्नोर
వచ్చినాం మేమందరం బిఎడ్ ట్రైనీస్ మాకు నెట్ కావాలి డిఎస్సి కన్నా ముందు మాకు నెట్ కావాలి ఎందరు మందో లాస్ అవుతున్నారు 2 lakhs కన్నా ఎక్కువ మంది ఉన్నారు మా అందరికీ టెట్ కావాలి అని మేము కోరుతున్నారు వి వాంట్ జస్టిస్ ప్లీజ్ సపోర్ట్ us
We want justice. We want justice. Release that before DSC. Release that before DSC. Support us.
वीडियो
Release that before DSC.
we want justice
Release that before DSC.
we want
justice. Release that before DSC. We want justice. Release that before DSC. We want justice.
release that before DSC
We want justice.
release that before DSC we want justice release that before DSC
We want justice. Please support us. We want justice.
Good morning to all. We are the trainees from Pahonchkar College. We are pursuing our B.Ed and we are B.Ed and D.Ed. We request the government and to the respectable CM sir that please release TET for us because we are pursuing B.Ed and before rating TET we can't qualify for DSC. So I request to release notification for TET. Thank you.
Before DSC.
गुड आफ्टरनून सीएम सर हम आपसे रिक्वेस्ट करते हैं प्लीज़ हम लोग बीएड और डीएड के ट्रेनीज है पहonchkar कॉलेज नरमल के टेट के नोटिफिकेशन रिलीज़ कीजिए डीएससी से पहले ताकि हम लोग भी डीएससी के लिए क्वालिफाई हो सके उसमें उसके नोटिफिकेशन के लिए हम भी अप्लाई कर सकें प्लीज़ वी रिक्वेस्ट टू रिलीज़ टेट नोटिफिकेशन
One teacher can change the whole world. Because of the lack of teachers, the students' future is going to loss and the teachers also suffering more because the world can change only by teachers. I request you to give notification to pursuing students also because so many lakhs of teachers are waiting for the jobs and this job is not only for teachers but also the future of the students. Without teachers, there can't be a good future of state or good future of nation. We request our respectable Chief Minister sir to release TET and give us opportunity to write DSC and TET because so many students are suffering for this. Thank you.